Bicameral parliament. Constitution established bicameral legislature in France. We have seen yesterday. Article 24. Parliament is composed of the National Assembly and Senate. National Assembly is lower, popular, directly elected and more powerful house of the parliament. Senate is upper, less popular, quasi-permanent, indirectly elected and less powerful house. In it, representative has been given to the territorial entities of the France and French citizens residing abroad. We have seen yesterday all these things. The text of the constitution: member is of two houses, tenure of two houses, qualification, disqualification. Just like in India, the member of the parliament are required to fulfill certain criteria or the qualification to become the member of the parliament. Then right of the French people. In India, we are having the fundamental rights. However, expressly, this has not been incorporated in the French constitution. In the body of the constitution, a separate list of the rights and freedom of the people has not been included. But this does not mean that the French people have no right. Merely something is not incorporated in some document, it does not deprive the citizens of the France from their rights, which has been inferred, and it has been inferred from the preamble of the Constitution of the France, where the words has been used like we have seen the integrity, etc. In the earlier we have seen the preamble of the Constitution declared that French people continue to enjoy all those rights and freedom which they had been enjoying under the Constitution of 1946 and which had been mentioned in the Declaration of the Rights. Moreover, Article 1st declares the objective of the Republic as liberty, equality and fraternity. Just like Indian Constitution. And Article 3 and 4 gives them their political right, which is right to vote and right to form political associations. So, though there is no right expressly given or you can say expressly mentioned in the Constitution, still it can be inferred, it can be construed from the different portion of the Constitution of the France, like the preamble, Article 3, Article 4, etc. Then Constitutional Council, the institution for the judicial review. We have seen yesterday, it is a very important and unique feature of the French Constitution, where the constitutionality of the law which has been made by the parliament has been checked by a body which is called as the Constitution Council. Under the French Constitution, a special institution has been formed to determine the validity of the laws and order made by the parliament and the government both. Not only laws by the government but also the government. This power, which in other countries like India and USA has been given to the courts. You must be knowing that in India, if there is a law which has been passed or any constitutional amendment which has been made in the constitution, if it has been challenged before the court that it is not in consonance, in validation of the basic structure of the constitution, the court can decide that whether the law which has been made or the amendment which has been incorporated in the constitution are in consonance with the provision of the constitution or not. This power resides with the courts in India, which is called judicial review. However, this power has been given to the body which is called Constitution Council in the France. There are 9 members there, and in these 3 persons are appointed by the President of France, and 3 by the President of the National Assembly, and 3 by the President of the Senate. And all these persons retire by rotation, 3 years. These people are 9 in number and hold the position for 9 years. Apart from that, apart from these 9 members, former President of the Republic of France are ex officio life member of the Constitution Council. Those people who have been the president earlier in the France are becoming the member of the Constitution Council for life. Only those persons who have not been the president earlier are appointed or reappointed for 9 years at a time. And 3 people retire every 3 years by rotation. So that is why effectively after every 3 years, one person each is appointed by the President of France, President of the National Assembly, and President of the Senate. Thereafter, this provision has been incorporated by the, you can say, copied from the Constitution of Russia, from the Russia. Okay, this body, you can say, Constitutional Council, check the validity of the law, normal law as well as organic law. Organic law means Constitution of India. Okay. Then Economic and Social Council. Now I have to start from here. Yesterday we have covered last to that. Now, under Title 11 and Article 69, 70 and 71 in new council, the Economic and Social Council has been created. The government can seek advice on any law, any plan or any bill of economic and social character can be submitted to it for its opinion. The members of this council can present their opinion on any bill which is under discussion in the parliament. If any bill is brought on the social or economic topic, then when it is being discussed in the parliament, at that time that matter can be referred. That can be referred to the Social and Economic Council. Then provisions regarding territorial unit of French Republic. The territorial units of the French Republic are the communes, the departments, and the overseas territories. These are self-governing units and each has elected councils. The delegates of the government of France have the responsibility to secure national interests and to maintain administrative supervision over the department and territories. The overseas territories have their own particular organization. For each such territory, an act of the government of France laid down the organization and function of its administrative organizations. Provision regarding European communities and European Union. You must be knowing that France is the member of the European Union. Although nowadays you must be knowing that recently UK, that Britain, has relinquished the membership of the EU, that is European Union. Title, I discussed that title word like the chapter you can say or the part. So title 15, that is from article 88.1 to 88.4, contains provision relating to the French membership of the EU communities and the European Union. Article 88.1 to 88.4. France is a member of the European Union and its 3 communities. It actively participates in the formulation and execution of the policies and decisions of these communities and the EU. Okay. After becoming party to the Treaty on European Union on 7th February 1992, France has transferred some of its power for establishing the European Economic and Monetary Union as well as for the formulation of the rules relating to the crossing of external borders of the member states of the European Union. You must be knowing the EU not only is a economic body but also there is a territorial compromise of the sovereignty. No? EU basically countries which are constituting the EU, that is European Union, are the members, and once they are members, there is a concept they are working with the bigger state concept. That is, they will be having the single currency. They will be having the not restricted movement of the citizen of the countries among themselves. So that is why rules relating to the crossing of the external border of the member state of the European Union. If somebody who is the member of the EU or the France or the citizen want to enter into Germany, so there will not be any restriction being the member of the EU. Not only this, you must be knowing the EU is the, or even the euro is the currency of the EU, which is being adopted by uniformly. Then citizens of the member state of the European Union who are residing in France have been given the right to vote and contest election to the municipal councils of the local areas. Suppose a French person is residing in the EU but is not France. He has been given right to vote. However, they are not eligible to become mayor or deputy mayor or to get elected as senators. They can vote, but they cannot become the person in authority, like mayor, like the senator, like the deputy mayor, etc. All resolution of the European Union come under before the French Parliament for its approval. Then, system of administrative law and administrative codes. These are the certain salient features of the French Constitution. Article 12 of the Constitution declares equality of all citizens before law. Equality of law, it is a concept which has been incorporated in Indian Constitution as well as US Constitution. Rule of law, you must be knowing. However, a Dicey puts it, a distinction is made between ordinary citizen and civil servants in respect of treatment before law. Like, you must be knowing, suppose you want to, you can say, you want to bring some suit or some kind of the case against some civil servant. Like if you want to bring against some ambassador, or it may be some you can say military person. So before that you have to have certain kind of the procedure to be adopted. Even if you want to bring some suit against the president, you cannot directly bring. Even during the tenure of his presidency or governorship, he cannot be prosecuted nor convicted. So these are the, you can say, privileges which has been provided to the certain civil persons being the position of the civil servant. In France, the civil servants are under administrative law and can be sued only in administrative courts. Whereas ordinary citizens are under ordinary law and are sued in ordinary courts. Okay. This feature is sharp contrast to the system of prevailing in Britain and India. There is no system in India. In both these countries, there is a single system of law enforced by one type of courts. No difference is made between ordinary citizens and civil servants. Taking into account these differences, Dicey declares that the rule of law does not exist in France. However, Dicey's observation is not totally valid. Correct? Any difficulty till here? Then unitary constitution. Like Britain, France is also a unitary state. Even Sri Lanka is a unitary state. No?
Yes.
All powers of the administration of France have been vested in the central government, which exercises them for all the people and over whole of the French territory. Local governments derive their power not from the constitution but from the government of France. Okay? delegated, you can understand by the delegation. Multi-party system. Like our own country, in France also multi-party system is in operation. The French enjoy the constitutional right to form political association, just like in India. You must be knowing in Article 19. There are 6 freedoms in which one is association. Unlike Indian constitution, which presupposes the existence of the political parties but never mention it, the constitution of France make a mention of the political parties. Article 4 declares parties and political groups plays a part in the exercise of the right to vote. The right to form parties and their freedom of actions are unrestricted. They must respect the principles of the national sovereignty and democracy. The last sentence constitutes 2 democratic limitations upon the organizations and activities of the political parties. Several political parties are actively present in the French political system. From the study of these features of the Constitution of the Fifth Republic, France, we can say that a bold and constructive attempt has been made by the French, acting through their constitution, to wipe out the evil of the political instability. I have discussed that the Fifth Constitution and Fifth Republic. From the study of these features of the Constitution of the Fifth Republic, we can say that bold and constructive attempt has been made by the French, acting through their constitution, to wipe out the evil of the political instability. We have discussed that the Fifth Republic came into the picture to bring the stability in the constitution of the France and the system there. The present constitution decidedly constitutes the improvement over all the previous constitutions. In this constitution, the framers have tried to put together the experience of the past, just like in the UK. We have seen that it is the क्या कह सकते हैं child of the past experience. In this constitution, the framer have tried to put together the experience of the past, although it has been labeled by some of the French writers as a trailer made by the General de Gaulle, quasi-monarchical, quasi-presidential, a parliamentary empire, unworkable, the worst drafted in the French constitutional history, yet it must be admitted on the basis of its working that it has been successful in giving France a consistently stable republican government. Thereafter, now you can see that what is the structure of the institution of Fifth Republic. You can see there, President of India of the Republic is directly elected by the citizen of the country, and there is a election of the National Assembly directly by the people. Then you can see the Senate is being elected by grand electors, which is by the deputies, general councillors, regional councillors, delegates of the municipal councils. And thereafter, both these Senate and National Assembly bring the law. And thereafter, we have seen whatever law is made, which has been brought before the Constitutional Council, each which is been appointed by both the President of the Republic, National Assembly, Senate, all are having the 3. And you can see that the President also appoints the Prime Minister, and the Minister, on the advice of the Prime Minister, he appoints the ministry or the ministers, and that is how the government is created. And the functions, you can see that has been taken by care by the Constitutional Council. That is how it is working, or you can say the institutional setup of the France. Okay, thank you.